Dapo, I want to, you said that you are make sure for 1 million. Dapo, oh, many to do wrong what you any. Amy, I want to hand over chef when one software pay one rich. But bon ló tì mí lẹ́yìn lókè lódò nílẹ̀ ni. Èmi adé tó wọ̀n ọjọ́ bí. Ó lè bá mi wọ̀. Àjọ máa jókòó àjọ máa sọ ni. Dapo, it is our country. Ogun tiwa ni. Ilẹ̀ Nigeria tiwa dẹ̀ ni. You can't subdue me. Look at the innocent pastor. You have used DSS to arrest him. You are a governor that doesn't want criticism. You don't want anybody to hold you. I beg. Wherever no cyber law crime. That is where every one of you are hiding under. Cyber law crime. For a public office holder that has the lives of countless citizens under his roof and in his palm, you're supposed to be the chief security officer of the state, protecting and defending us. You are now saying we are cyber stalking you. Cyber stalk who? You want to tell you what toilet? Go find a blow job, go tell you de ben. Go find a double, go tell you de ben. Non-performing governor for that matter. Can't you any governor to perform about Fielo Kombale Kolojaye? Ati Komando Party no shani. That's why I don't have your time yet. Sorry, Alberto say, I don't care on where Tony. Shebi, you have gone to France, so you party. We don't even know whether you are still the governor or you are now Shagori secretary. Tori, you are running from pillar to post. Your home called Ogun State is not at peace. Look at it. Using officers, power, executive power that you didn't inherit. You are using DSS, police, harassing people, even common urban people. Awujale, Orito. Infrastructure, basic amenities. You are showing arrogance and pride, gloating here and there. I have ambulances. Shebi, we went to survey. We didn't see the ambulances you claim. Those were videos of 2022, 2023. I have the evidence. Governance is continuous. The project that Amosu built in Ogun State Hospital, Abi was Benga Daniel. You abandoned it and started on that project. You people are wasting public funds. You see that airport that you're claiming? My father has a vision over 30 years ago and left acres of land. My father did for his people. He loved his people even more than he loved his children. So I love my people even more than I love myself. Unfortunately for you, Dapo, where is your legacy? If you leave governance in another 1.5 or 2 years, what legacy are you proving? You have been able to prove to us that you are so heartless, uncompassionate, you are arrogant, you only gloat on empty projects. Show us your project. We are willing to surface it to the whole world. We are willing to showcase Ogun. It is our state. It doesn't belong to my father or Latayo. Neither does it belong to your father or your mother or my mother. So therefore, we cannot be under you as subjects. You either listen to us and ask us, Ojumi Oka everywhere. You are not running Ogun State with a team. You are running yourself. We have local government issue challenges there. Salary of people that you are still paying 40,000. Complaints here and there. Rather than you opening and listening ears. Home training. To back by home training, you will not be gloating and be ranting and be using powers unnecessarily up and down. You are so desperate to go to the Senate. Yet, you cannot protect us. You cannot defend us. You cannot listen to us. And you now want to go and make laws on behalf of us. Dapo, you are wafitiwa sheni. Oma fititiwa, oma fi sheni. Awala mati yeleyin to ba ni irin ajo nwaju. Tabade mo pe irin ajo yo le san awa ina la ma gbe e jókòó síbi tó yẹ kó jókòó sí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, obìnrin ni wá, ayé ni wá, ìyá ni wá. Àwa abiyamọ ìgbọ́kọmọ ẹ kó má tàti wèrè ni. You no concern me, no concern me. If Nigeria is poor as a nation, and I am rich as an individual, we are all poor. As long as we don't have basic amenities and infrastructure, who the hell are you, Dapo? A space that doesn't belong to you, executive power is what you are misusing and abusing, and people are saying that I abused you. Mombue, when I was begging you and crying, how many people saw it? Ogun Police, I'm not missing. We have given you a date. And I filed for my fundamental. And we are in court. So tell people that we are in court. That I have filed for my fundamental in court. Don't push a wrong narrative. And don't use anybody as a click and bait. I learned you're looking for my lawyer and you have held a doctor. You better leave those people alone. And face Makamua. I am the one standing for my people. And I have told you, we have just started. Well, you have given me a 6-count charge. You want me to prove my 6-count charge. Then stop running from pillar to post. Allow me come. Allow me. I will represent myself. I will present myself. Me o sir. The pain that my people are going through is not running away from them. It's in their glaring faces every day. The inhumanity treatment they are receiving from Dapo Abiodun is glaring in our faces every day. Is that what I'm supposed to run away from? And you think my conscience and my guilt will allow me sleep, knowing that there are children that are not receiving infrastructures, that are not living a good life, there are children that their parents have failed them just because the government failed to provide for them. So what be yati pamo? They are suffering just because the government cannot give them what is theirs. Therefore, this battle is for me and you. Bring it on, I have said it. Mi osao, unto timile yin koja e. Unto gbe mi duro koja e. Unto de le gbe mi subu osi lowo e. You cannot lock me up in any prison. Stop gloating. It cannot be from you. I want to shiwaju e orise. What is the problem? Face me. Prove what I alleged. I am ready to prove. Leave the police out of it. Yegbe won sare kiri. Yegbe won sare kiri. Oh, tole o to ita. Your state is not at peace. You went to party in France. Afikomalo party ishani. Yes, you have a right to your private life. When you are functional, responsive, not when your people think that ambulance not by connection. And Detoun, you call me now. Your PA is in Canada and running Ogun State. Your page, your media page, they are managing it from another country. Is that a governor? And you are comparing yourself to Lagos State. Is it not the same allocation as what you gave to all of you? Is it not the same federal allocation? What excuse do you have? Just because you cannot work like a team. Now you are running up and down, gloating, oh boomy. Who are not going to abuse if not be you? You are my governor, I have a right to abuse you. You don't know. You don't know. He who cannot fight dirty doesn't come into politics. Oh, but don't come and take money edinelo. Kilo what the politics are about me. Look at the likes of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. I give credit to that man every day. A lot of testimonies that we give, he himself, he sees them as a shocker in the pages of newspaper because his team are responsive. They do it. Your own team, Irani. I think by connection. So if you need ambulance, call me. I'll connect high places. Why do I need high places? Why do I need high places? It's public right. It's public entitlement. Dapo, me and you never ready. Ashin lost only part 10. So ni suru kini ton do elabe that executive power. I make bank on there. If not, if it is a sense society, so yakiru wo you win the governorship. So yakiru wo you win the governorship Dapo. You Ogun State is as good as fatherless. Ogun State is as good as a fatherless state. You want to shut everybody up. You want to call the shot. You want to give instruction. Governance is by the people, for the people, with the people. That's democracy and governance. We run the state together. Our contribution, your little contribution, the society will be safe for every one of us. You don't know what you're into. Now you want to learn governance. You better stop running from pillar to post. And when you're ready to bring your head down, we will sit on it and we will sit as citizens, sitting on our governor's neck, pressing your neck. Not this one where you carry cybercrime. All the sand that you ran to go and meet. Who took your case? Who took your case? You now resorted to. You see, there are some people that I hold so hard. I have some people that they are my heartbeats. They have told me to cool down for you. And I'm trying to do that as much as possible. But àwọn babaláwo àti oníṣègùn àti toruta àti tọ̀sán tẹ́ kóra yín jọ kiri everything I see gbogbo bẹ́ ṣe ń gbé ọwọ́ ni mò ń rí ṣùgbọ́n èmi Dapo no be by mouth àbí na by eyes wọ́n sọ fún ẹ rárá o ká ló wò mí dáadáa ká ló gbé mi yẹ̀wò dáadáa wọ́n sọ fún ẹ pé ẹbọ jèbùrẹ́ ni mí. We will come back to your matter. Let me just address the people with the wrong narrative. I'm not missing no. Police is not looking for me. Police is just looking for attention. And they have gotten the attention. They have spent so much money for bloggers and everybody. Me, not be me when they find. When they find me, when I give when I say I they come that day. You people should just be ready. Be ready. And to please, to everybody who has been saying, make we protest. My activism is not to stir public anger or public emotion. Our aggression is to ensure that the government is held accountable. So please, I have pleaded with a lot of people. No protests. Nobody should try and protest. Nobody should raise any voice for me. No, that is not our purpose. We don't want to disrupt peace in the society. But who not give us peace? And Tobani Yonisu, Dapo, you are going to
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì ẹ̀kọ́jọ́ mẹ́ta ṣe dáadáa ni mo bá yín ṣe àlàáfíà lẹ́wà. Èmi ọmọ yín náà ní Ọdúnmáyọ̀. Pẹ́pẹ́yẹ gbọ́mọpọ̀ láàrin gọ́vnà Dapo Abiodun pẹ̀lú Detoun ní ọdún tó kọjá, ìyẹn ní December. Gbogbo wa la rí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Anthony Joshua àti àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ tí wọ́n wá láti ìlú òyìnbó tí wọ́n wá ṣe Christmas ní ìlú Nàìjíríà kó tó di pé wọ́n ní accident ní ojú ọ̀nà Ìbàdàn sí Èkó tí ó pàdánù àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ méjì. Wọ́n pàdánù àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ méjì nínú ìjàmbá ọkọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn. So gbogbo wa la rí ìgbà tí Anthony Joshua tí wọ́n gbé láti inú mọ́tò tí àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ẹ̀wọ̀n àbẹ̀ tí wọ́n fẹ́ rescue ẹ̀ tí wọ́n gbé láti inú mọ́tò tí wọ́n fẹ́ gbé lọ sí hospital. Gbogbo wa la rí pé àárí ambulance kankan kí ó yọjú. Òun ló fà tí Detoun tí ó fi jáde tó fi sọ̀rọ̀ sí gọ́vnà Dapo Abiodun wípé irú ìjọba wo ni tiwọn, wípé ní Ogun State pé kò sí ambulance ẹyọ kan báyìí ní Ogun State, pé gọ́vnà Dapo Abiodun nǹkan tó máa ń ṣe ni pé kó lọ patí, kó fóbìnrin lóyún. Ó ṣàṣọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí sí gọ́vnà Dapo Abiodun. Inú wa bí wọn o, ló bá pe Detoun, wọ́n pè wọ́n lẹ́jọ́. So wọ́n pè wọ́n lẹ́jọ́ ní ọdún tí a wà yẹn ní January, ní ọ̀sẹ̀ bíi méjì sẹ́yìn. Wọ́n pe Detoun lẹ́jọ́, ṣùgbọ́n Detoun kò yọjú sí àwọn ọlọ́pàá. Detoun ní ara òun ò yá, pé òun ò lè yọjú, pé ó máa tó December 27 kóun tó lè yọjú sí àwọn ọlọ́pàá. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ọlọ́pàá wá gbé síta, wọ́n gbé wanted lé lórí wípé wọ́n ò rí. Wọ́n ṣàgbé wanted lé Detoun ògbélé lórí. Òun ló fà tí Detoun fi jáde wípé òun ò sọ pé òun ò yọjú, pé ó rẹ̀ òun díẹ̀ ni. Òun sọ pé òun máa wá tó bá dá on the 27 January, pé kí ló ń kan wọn lójú. Oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀, oríṣiríṣi ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Kódà gọ́vnà Dapo Abiodun, ìwé tí wọ́n gbé síta rèé, ẹ̀sùn 6 ni wọ́n kà sí ọrùn Detoun. Ẹ̀sùn 6 ni àwọn ọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n kà sí lọ́rùn. Wọ́n ní ó sábà búlì gọ́vnà Dapo Abiodun. Wọ́n ní oríṣiríṣi allegation ni ó fi kan gọ́vnà Dapo Abiodun. Ìyẹn ẹ̀sùn 6 tí wọ́n kà sí Detoun tí wọ́n kà sí wọn lọ́rùn nínú ìwé tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá gbé síta. Ìwé náà lẹ́ ń wò lẹ́ ń wò lórí screen yìí. Ẹ̀sùn 6 ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni wọ́n kà sí lọ́rùn. Wọ́n ní àìmọye ìgbà ni ọlọ́pàá ti pe Detoun pé kò kí ń yọjú sí ilé ẹjọ́, àmì sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọ́n ní kì í yọjú. So àwọn ẹ̀sùn kankan sababuli oríṣiríṣi allegation ni wọ́n ṣàfikàn Detoun. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ṣe ń darapọ̀ mẹ́tò yìí fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ ò tí subscribe, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa subscribe, ẹ follow wa, ẹ bá wa share program yìí, ẹ drop comment yín sábẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí. Kí n tó lọ, ẹ jẹ́ kí sáré dé iléeṣẹ́ ìpolówó ọjà wa. À ń ta jíjà o, jíjà wà, ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún diabetes, ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún fibroid, ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún cancer. Tí obìnrin ò bá rí nǹkan oṣù wọn, ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún. Tí nǹkan oṣù obìnrin bá ń ṣe ségesège, ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún. Tí ẹ ò bá rọrùn sùn, tí ẹ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lo ginger, ẹ máa sùn bíi bébì ni. Ẹ kàn sí iléeṣẹ́ wa, kò síbi tí ẹ wà tí a ò lè deliver.